So I'm going to show you some healing sounds with an exercise. So we are going to tilt the head slightly to the left, not all the way. Just think of this ear moving up rather than this one going down, which can compress it. So you're keeping the neck extended and then tilt it back a bit. Try and keep your hips behind your ribs so your posture is not slumped. And then nod forward and exhale. Inhale and look up as you do it, so the opposite side. And make the sound choo. So and then switch to the other side. And nod as you exhale. Hold for a second and come back to the center. Breathe in. So the choo is the sound of the liver for healing anger, which takes the place of kindness. So we want to practice the virtue of kindness, and that heals the liver and the whole body as a result, and especially the eyes in the face. So the next healing sound we could do is, so that's the wood element, and wood creates fire. So if we want to balance fire, then we do the earth element. I couldn't think because of the noise. So the earth sound is who, and this time we'll just look straight up because the stomach meridian actually goes along the neck on the outside. So I'm just kind of making use of that. So look up, and you can look up with your eyes as well. So the eyes kind of guide your neck, your head up. And then come back to this, look down. And then to the center. So also on the way down, you keep the neck elongated, not compressing, but extending back and up. Think chin tuck, or you can even use your hand to support, and you can massage that point there, the wind, forget what it's called, but so the next after earth, which is the stomach and the emotion of stability, it goes earth, then metal. So to balance metal, we go to the next one, which is water. If that doesn't make sense to you right now, don't worry. So water is the sound chruee, and the kidney meridian goes here, and the bladder meridian goes down the back of the body. So I think it would be good just to twist to the side. so to activate some of that meridian. So while making the sound chruee, which is a strange sound, I admit, but these sounds really do resonate in the organs, like I can feel it. So hips behind the ribs, breathe in, chruee. And the other side, chruee. And another benefit is it helps us to breathe slower and more relaxed. So then water feeds wood, and wood creates fire, so we'll do fire next. Fire is the heart and the small intestine. So for this one, I think we could do, it's like one of the Tibetan rites, opening the chest and then closing. So it's a bit like, if you've got your hands free, you can do like this, making the sound ha. So we go ha, keeping the neck long, not compressing. Ha, breathe in. Ha. Hold for a minute. Breathe in. And I'll just switch my hand to the other side. Okay, so just mindfulness of how the neck is relaxed and making that sound deep from the belly and the chest. So ha is the fire element. So that's the last one. So the order just goes fire, earth, metal, water, wood, but we skip one for the healing cycle. So you can do that with acupressure as well, like finding points on the channels to massage when you need to balance that emotion or organ, or you can do qigong, which I'll just quickly go through now. The 5 elements. There are different ways of doing it, different moves. So for the earth, you can do this, like raising the earth energy and then sinking like gravity. Another move is pebbling a pond. So it's a bit like you're doing a squat and your hands just drift forward effortlessly. And then the metal element is this one where you push out, touch your forefinger and second finger and come back in, make a circle around yourself, into your body and push out, like you're clearing your lungs energy. Another way to do that is lifting up and pushing deep from behind, like you're clearing the large intestine energy. So then the water element is like a fountain, very nice one, like feel the energy in your hands as you do it. More so in in the palms as if you've got a ball or just like a cup shape. Nice and relaxed, and just feel the energy